Hello everyone, today I will show you how to insert a gray color text box in Apple number sheet. Open your Apple number sheet and here you will find this text box option. Click here and see this text box already inserted and drag it increase text box right and double click on this text box. Type your text or paste text. Now drag your mouse, select your text box and now click format option and here you will find this style option. Now click on this fill color option, check this, now click here and here you will find this gray color option and see this. Also you can add border color, you can change border color if you like and increase border and see this. I'll uncheck this border and remove and see this gray color text box already created. Also you can change this text box fill color, click on this and click here, this gray color, yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.